More than 6% of country's population uses bus as major way of transportation. As India becoming more populous and urbanized, poor transport system would stifle the economic growth and development. Just imagine waiting late night in a bus stop by not even knowing a bus would arrive or not, an unsafe and a very frustrating state to be in. Our product, Smart Bus Transportation System, turns an uncertain situation into a plannable one. Here is a block diagram of a product. Passenger counter based on the infrared rays gives a rough count of the passengers traveling in the bus. SIM 808 with GPS and the GSM provides the latitude, longitude and the velocity of the bus with real time. Data from the passenger counter and the GPS are received by the MSP 430 and transmitted through the GSM module as SMS. Google Firebase as the server receives the data and can be viewed by any smartphone users through mobile applications.
In this video, we have demonstrated the working of individual modules. In the final video, we'll be demonstrating the complete working form.
Filter circuit, oscillating circuit at 38 kHz, one amplifier circuit, one transmitter, one receiver. Whenever there is no object in between the IR transmitter receiver pair, the output waveform looks like this. And whenever there is an object in between the IR transmitter pair, the pulse is 0.
This is the working of the GSM and GPS module. This is SIM 808 GSM and GPS module. Initially, we are using TM4C for testing purpose. Once it is done, we'll be implementing it on MSP. So this GPS module will be updating the real-time longitude and latitude coordinates to the Firebase. As you can see, the coordinates are getting updated here. This is the Google Firebase.
Here is the app we have developed, and you can get the bus details by directly entering the bus number, and if you don't know which bus to travel, you can get it by entering the starting point and the destination point. Okay, for example, we will go with 515 bus, 515, and okay, here are the buses which are near to you, and this blue marker shows your location, and these are the buses near you, 515, and for example, we will go with this bus. Yeah, and by clicking on the info, you will get this details of the bus number and number of seats available, current stop, next stop, and expected arrival to your nearest bus stop. And if you need to set an alarm, you can click here.
The recommendation that we got from IMB is that to partner with the fleet operator so as to make our product as a value added service to the customers. The actions we took are we spoke with 6 local bus conductors and drivers, and also with a private bus company named called Comitala in Chennai. So the feedback they gave is that they are ready to accept our product if it doesn't involve any technical operation that has to be done by them, and also it should not cause any obstruction to the. Initially, during the development phase, we have done a survey with the help of our classmates in major bus stands in Chennai. We have collected the feedback from around 300 passengers. This is one of the sample template that we have given to them. We have segregated the problems with maximum rating, and basing on them, we have incorporated the following changes into a product. Like first thing, to have an accurate estimated time of arrival, and also an accurate information regarding the frequency of buses, and also we need to show data regarding the availability of seats, and also an exact location of the buses near the user. There are 2 ways to distribute our product. One is service oriented approach. Here, with the permission of bus agencies, we will install our product in the buses, and the users can download the app through Play Store. And our income will be through in-app advertisements and big data clients. The big data can be utilized by the bus service itself to understand in which areas the demand for buses is more. And also in a product oriented approach, we can directly sell our entire product to the bus service company. We have done a detailed analysis on the market available for this product in Chennai. The number of metropolitan transport corporate buses in peak areas of Chennai are around 3,685, and the number of private buses operating in Chennai are approximately 1,000. Based on the previous survey we have done, around 80% of passengers, that is 3 lakhs, are willing to use our app. And we have made the calculations by considering only 25%, that is 1,200 buses in Chennai, and assuming that only 50%, that is 1.5 lakhs of passengers use the app. So this is the thing. The bill of materials is around rupees 25,000 per unit, and the approximate hardware cost is 30 lakhs for 1,200 units, and revenue from in-app advertisements is 12 lakhs per annum, and revenue from selling big data can vary from 4 lakhs to 20 lakhs depending on the client, and through this we'll be achieving the break-even point in 1.5 years. And in case of product-oriented approach, we'll be selling the product at a cost of rupees 40 lakhs for 1200 units, and in this case we'll be achieving a 10 lakhs instant profit, and the client would be achieving the break-even point in 2 years.
Product differentiation. The existing option available for passengers is Google Maps Transit, which provides only the static bus timings for the provided source and destination. The uniqueness in our product is we are going to provide the exact location of relevant buses, dynamic estimated time of arrival, and number of seats available in the bus, and also notify the approaching time marked by the bus before a stipulated time. Due to high reliability of bus location, time, and seat availability, people will prefer buses compared to cabs. Further improvement. After successful penetration into the market, we can even replace the existing ticket collecting machine and the product with our app, such that in addition to the above features, we can also add online ticket booking system. Future scope. After bus, within a year or two, we are planning to enter into improvising train transport system. All the current train tracking systems are done by knowing the time with which train has left the last station. But most of the trains in India will be halted just before the station for unpredictable time due to the unavailability of platform. So by using our product in trains, we can make users feel safer and reliable despite of the irregularity by pinpointing the exact location of train all the time to them and their family.
She's Deepika, he Vishwa, Arvind, Bharat, and myself, I'm Shravan. This is our team.